Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a passcode within the Aqua Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Aqua Wallet app on your device, and after you have logged in, you will end up within the wallet page. Now, in order to set up your passcode, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Then from the settings page, if you scroll down underneath general settings, within the security settings option, you will find the passcode. Tap on the toggle to turn it on, and then tap on the continue option. And now you will see a backup reminder asking you to write down your seed phrase. Tap on the view seed phrase option to view your security code, which is a 12-word recovery phrase. When you tap on this, you will be provided another warning asking you to make sure that you are the only person viewing the next screen. After making sure of it, tap on the next button, and now this will reveal to you your seed phrase. You may need to provide your biometric verification if you have enabled it. Once you have made sure to save your recovery phrase, tap on the continue button from the same page, and now you will be allowed to set up your passcode. After typing in your desired passcode, you will be asked to type it in once again for confirmation. So go ahead and type in your passcode once again, and now your passcode will successfully be created. Tap on the Got It button, and now the passcode toggle will be enabled. After this, you can use your passcode to log into your account and also to complete your transactions. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a passcode within the Aqua Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.